You can add as many virtual machines as you want to this environment. I'll be using 7 virtual machines, one machine for master server or Ansible master node, and others for client nodes. Now let me power up my environment with the command Vagrant up. Once again, if you want to know how to run different commands in Vagrant and how to configure Vagrant file in more detail, please refer to my course on Vagrant. So this command will initiate the environment itself. Once it's done, we'll be ready to install Ansible on master node. The environment is ready and I'll log in to the master node with the Vagrant SSH command. I'll type Vagrant SSH master. In this case, master is the name of my CentOS Linux server.